Hi, this is KD Lam here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the maintenance cartridge for this new Canon G series. Before I start, remember to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out any new videos from me. Let's start! For this new G3x60, it is not using ink absorber anymore. It is using the things called maintenance cartridge to store the waste ink. In case the maintenance cartridge full, user can easily change the maintenance cartridge by removing it from the back of the printer. What you need is just a new maintenance cartridge and a coin. Use the coin to unscrew the screw at the back of the printer. Once the screw is loose, you can try to take it out. Take out the screw and then open up the cover of the printer. Then you can take out the ink absorber from the G series. So this is the ink absorber of the printer, so it is called as maintenance cartridge. You can see some of the ink is inside the maintenance cartridge now. So once it becomes full, you can change the maintenance cartridge easily by yourself. Once you have get a new maintenance cartridge, just put it back at the back of the printer. Just gently push it back into the printer, and then after that, take the cover, slice back into the printer, cover it back, and take the screw, turn a few rounds first. After that, get your coin and finish the screwing. It is quite simple to change maintenance cartridge. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please remember to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.